You done know. Welcome back to the Bold Pot. Forgive the voice. I am sick. Still trying to get over this thing. But we are doing smoked Jamaican oxtail Rasta pasta today. Look at that. So y'all know how we do with the oxtail already. Video for that up top in a card and in the description. We're just cleaning the meat. You do what you want. I'm not trying to tell you how to do it. There is a video for that as well up top. What we're gonna talk about while I'm doing this is a couple little tricks that I'm using. Here is I'm using the fat. I'm going to put that in the oven at like 325 for 30 to 45 minutes to render the fat. And we're going to use that fat to sear the oxtail and the rest of it for other recipes. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it and how it comes out for you. You season the oxtail however you like. You can use my recipe. But basically what we're doing here is we're getting the oxtail prepped for smoking, because instead of going straight into the pot after seasoning it, we're going to smoke it first to get that flavor in, and then we're going to sear it and cook it off. So we're just going to cut up the aromatics right now and go from there. Okay, so here's my bacon grease container. Anytime I cook something like this, if there's any kind of reserve fat, this is before seasoning. I usually do something like this, and I save the fat because it's healthier than oil, to be honest with you. I save it for other recipes, and for this, I'm going to use that to sear the oxtail after this step, which is the smoking. And here we go. This is the oxtail smoked. This is the bacon fat that you just saw mixed with whatever I have in the stash before this. So we're just going to sear the oxtail now. And then this process is just like in the video before for the most part. If you have your own oxtail recipe, you do what you do. Just basically get your oxtail cooked and prepped. And I'll see you when it's time to make the pasta. So for my recipe, my two tricks: smoke the oxtail, and the next one is to cook the pasta in coconut milk, fresh if you can, and chicken stock, fresh if you can, or rather not fresh but homemade. How I cook the pasta, this is something else I learned from Kenji Lopez, is from cold, you bring it to a boil, and then you take it off of the burner and cover it and leave it for 8 minutes, and you get perfect al dente pasta every time. So as you know, with Rasta pasta, you need the colors green, yellow, and red. And then now we're going to grate up some Parmigiano Reggiano. All right, here we go. So another thing that we're doing here is we're not using heavy cream like in most American versions of Alfredo sauce, right? So for the Rasta pasta sauce, we're gonna kind of stick a little bit closer to how it's made in Italy, the Alfredo sauce. I mean, basically a lot of butter, the liquid that you boiled the pasta in, and the cheese. So that's what we're going to do. Into the butter, you saute the peppers with the jerk seasoning, and you add some of the oxtail gravy in there. And then now we're adding this mixture of the coconut milk with the chicken stock. That's the oxtail gravy right there. Just keep it going. When it reaches that thickness that you like, you add your pasta, give it a stir, and then after that, that's when you're gonna add your cheese, a handful at a time, and you just keep stirring. Turn off the fire once you get to that point where you're adding the cheese, and then you're gonna get this nice creamy coating on the pasta. And there you have it, guys. Smoked oxtail Rasta pasta. Garnish it however you like. This was honestly really delicious, guys. You need to run and make this. Let me know how it tasted. Let me know what changes you made. I love to hear what you guys think about all of these videos. Please comment, like, subscribe, tell all your friends to come along and look at this money shot. Mm-mm. Okay, bye.